You cannot make everyone happy unless you're an avocado. The older you get, the better you get unless you're an avocado. The avocado is a native of America and is a medium-sized dark green tree. In India, it is grown in South India in states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It is considered to be the most nutritional of all fruits. There are various types of avocados such as Guatemalan, Mexican and West Indian. Some also call it the alligator pear. It has several health benefits. It keeps eyes, gums, liver and heart healthy and also fights arthritis. It is a rich source of monosaturated fats and antioxidants. We do not need insecticides in growing avocado since the plant itself is a repellent to insects. It lives for around 3 to 4 decades and gives several kilos of fruits per season. Avocado grows through seeds, grafting and can even tolerate some shade. In fact, you must give them some respite during the hot North Indian summers. An avocado has more potassium than a banana. It has the most fiber of all the fruits. It is the only fruit which increases your good cholesterol and decreases the bad cholesterol. No reason not to have one of these plants in your garden. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great